it never even occurred to me that my relationship was going to be a problem because I come from a family which is very multicultural.
I think it was totally a K-drama scene at my house. So it was as if I dropped a time bomb at my place.
मेरे कपड़े और छोटे होते जा रहे हैं और यहाँ मुझे लोग पूछ रहे हैं कि मैं नकाब पहन रही हूँ कि नहीं. मतलब मुझे आइडेंटिटी क्राइसिस होता है कि I cannot talk like a Brahmin and I cannot talk like a Khan's wife.
There will always be these people who will have some problems if there are two families who are different from each other culturally or religiously. You don't go around explaining it to them. You do what you feel right.
It's really, really worth it because if I was not with her, I would have not been this person also.
I cannot imagine a day without you.
I will not change this for anything in my life.
I don't think there's anybody else that makes me as happy as you do. I can't even imagine a life with anybody else. I think this thought creeps me out. I used to be creative. I used to bring chart paper and do drawings.
Years ago.
Years ago, yeah.
Years ago. You have not done that in a very long time.
But that's a good thing, right? Then I don't think I'm making that many mistakes.
That's not what I said.
We've known each other for a long time. It's been more than a decade. She seemed quite arrogant when I met her first.
I found him quite a bit introvert, but a lot down.
Even if you are not 100% agreeing with the person, if you are not 100% at the same wavelength, but still there's something that keeps on drawing you to that person.
Such a lovely wife. So many years together. It's wonderful.
You just wanted to like patao me somehow.
You were literally in awe of Tamir Khan.
Sure.
Oh, sure. Seriously, you were. So we actually met because of music. Yes,
Yeah.
she's right that music kind of took the backseat and the whole love happened.
I didn't want to go on the date because he's younger than me and I thought he was a little immature. He was extremely persistent and I'd been saying no for a long time. So I thought, okay, let's meet him for a cup of coffee. From there, instead we went to a party.
Yeah.
Then we went to a second party. And I finally started having a good time and I was like, oh, he's a nice guy. And then we decided to leave the second party and head to a third party. And between the second party and the third party, I was driving and and Nikhil cried on the first date.
We met online through Yahoo Messenger, which was very popular in those days, and we were chat friends for almost a year and a half. And slowly we decided that let us meet up and take things forward.
My first impression after the first date was you're the full package that I want for my life. तेरे से ही शादी करेगा.
My parents never directly objected to our relationship, but at Payal's house it was a huge problem.
They were not even ready to accept that I've said such a thing. When I probed them again and again, then they were, probably they thought that it requires the intervention and they started convincing me, cajoling me. But I think I took my stand and finally they had to agree.
family background, I'm a Marwadi, my parents and my extended family is a little Orthodox.
Yeah.
So for them it was a little, the reaction was not really that positive in the first instance.
Yeah.
We let them know that we are doing this. And that was it. I don't think we went to a point where we had to convince them that what we are doing was right.
When he proposed me, मैंने इसे ये तो कहा था कि भाई मेरे घर पे होगा थोड़ा बहुत.
From my side, there was no issue at all. Her family kind of grilled me a bit, which was required. I think they wanted to just know that the daughter is safe and going to a right place. Everybody in my khandan is in the army, so her family had like nothing to worry about. They were like very secured, and the moment they met my parents, they were like, "Ki, हाँ यार, like this is cool."
जो अभी current scenario चल रहा है इंडिया में.
It gets highlighted more.
Yeah, I think I'm just thankful that मेरी शादी 2 साल पहले हो गई. अगर मैंने 2 साल बाद बताया होता तो अभी तो पक्का नहीं होती मेरी शादी.
हम तुम कितने पास है कितने दूर है चाँद.
My sasural is as easygoing, as loving as my home, as my mother's place. We had no problems with anybody saying, what is this happening? Everybody was welcoming. We were very, very privileged in that case.
I think we'd be very ignorant and arrogant if we did not acknowledge that privilege.
Yeah. To be honest, we know it's a privilege, but it should be the norm. I think everybody should have the freedom to choose their life the way they want to. But I don't think it happens. It's not a perfect world situation.
I think I fell for Tamir and I never felt awkward was because I was never raised in an environment where मेरे पिताजी ने मुझे कहा, oh my god, you cannot have Muslim friends, you cannot have Christian friends, you should not go out and celebrate Eid or whatever.
Access to education has always been a privilege in this country. It is much easier for people from well-to-do backgrounds to get married to a person from a different faith
and of their choice.
शादी के बाद ऐसे मुझे कोई कल्चर शॉक नहीं लगा. The first year we got married, we made sure we celebrate all the festivals. I never wanted to offend anyone because सबने बहुत मेहनत की हमारी शादी में और स्पेशली मेरे पेरेंट्स ने बहुत कुछ आउट ऑफ द वे जाकर किया है अपने डिस्टेंट फैमिली को मनाने के लिए.
It's not as if there's so much difference that we have to change ourselves for that. On the other hand, it's a lot of festivity and celebration that is added because of the intermingling of these cultures.
Interfaith marriages should have been promoted in India. I'm not kidding you. You diversify your country more.
Your side of the family has embraced all kind of cultures, and that's what we carry on.
कि इस लड़की का नाम रेहाना है या इस लड़की का नाम कृतिका है. You just like somebody. मतलब मेरे लिए इतना स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड है. आई थिंक कुछ लोगों के लिए और मेरे को एक अच्छे तबके के लिए यही होगा.
It has nothing to do with your faith. Faith is a very personal choice.
Correct.
When it comes to an interfaith marriage, suddenly people want to check everything, and especially if the guy is Muslim, then तो मतलब target है.
I remember our first year of marriage. On every Hindu festival, like my distant relatives or my friends wanted to know if I'm celebrating or not, or is he allowing me? Like this was one question. Oh, Tamir ने allow किया क्या? And I'm like, allow? I used to get offended कि how can someone ask me about my own religion? Like nobody asked me to पूजा करती है क्या? Throughout my life before I got married.
हमने तो प्यार में ऐसा काम कर दिया.
We all give up something or the other to achieve something. I can't recollect what I had to give up, but even if I had to, it wouldn't have mattered to me.
And by doing this, I'm not sure how do you lose your individuality because we haven't.
शादी एक बहुत बड़ा गैम्बल है. करना है सोच समझ के करना. तामिर के चाय के कप, तामिर के गर्म पानी के ग्लासेस, यहाँ भी रखा हुआ है एक ग्लास. तामिर के कपड़े लॉन्ड्री बैग के जस्ट साइड में पड़े होते हैं. लॉन्ड्री बैग में नहीं होते, जस्ट साइड में पड़े होते हैं.
I shoot, but
So these are the things which I had to compromise. Apart from that, touch wood, I have not compromised on anything.
And leave alone marriage. Even when you're sharing a flat with a roommate, you adjust to each other's habits.
it's an effort which you take, and I think it's a good thing. मतलब अगर मैं वो तुम्हें वो कप ना दिखे शायद एक दिन तुम्हें शॉक लग जाएगा ना कि इसने चाय पी कि नहीं पी.
If two people are secure about their identity and who they are, then they will not expect
the other person to give up anything.
And if your partner expects you to change, then
There's
run.
a problem. Yeah.
Seriously, run.
शादी के कुछ 1-1.5 महीने पहले की बात है. जिटर्स तो होते ही सबको, और इस मामले में तो ज़्यादा थे क्योंकि अननोन लोग मुझे फ़ोन करके बोल रहे थे कि मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए. आई एडेड माई फादर्स नेम, so my Facebook name is Kritika Girish Lele, and it gave me confidence, but never once in these 2 years I ever felt कि मतलब मुझे चेंज किया जा रहा है या मुझे बदला जा रहा है. I think.
Do you really think I can change her? I wish like it's not easy. कृतिका ने मुझे बदल दिया है काफी हद तक.
For good Tamil.
हाँ, for good. मतलब ये मेरा recycled version है. And
Yes.
Kritika is exactly
Sanitized version of
Kritika
Tamil.
is exactly how she was.
Yeah.
A woman is so powerful that it's not easy. In a good way, I'm saying.
You
Go,
better be
girl. Go.
What would you like to say to people who judge or label couples like you?
Get a life.
For such people, I have an open invitation. They should come and live with us and see how beautiful our relationship is.
Stop telling us that we should change our band's name from Interfaith to whatever XYZ, and stop telling me or asking me कि मैं नकाब पहनती हूँ क्या, मैं नमाज पढ़ती हूँ क्या,
I don't know यार.
और मेरा नाम चेंज हो गया है क्या. That is also one.
In our Indian society, लोग क्या कहेंगे thing is always there, and it's not just about marriage. It's about buying a car, and I think that's the reason why it did not even become a concern for us.
It never mattered to us.
Heard people talking to me on my face that how I'm married in a Muslim setup now and how I should not say anything about the current scenario. Or I remember during CA and RC I was asked कि अच्छा तो उल्टा ही बोलोगे and stuff like that.
My political views are aligned with my political ideology and not my religious affiliation.
It's okay to have religious differences because that doesn't become an issue in our marriage.
Yeah.
But because we discuss politics and news very often, if we had a difference in political views, that would
Would be
have
a
been a
problem.
problem in the marriage.
Definitely.
I'll tell you why people don't question me. I think it's with the patriarchal society also, where people don't like the idea of a woman taking a call or woman
Oh yes.
has the power of taking a decision.
Yes.
It's also because of that. It comes from that space where people question a woman more often than a guy. It's accepted. अगर लड़के का जो भी है ठीक है, चलो इसकी शादी होगी, people accept कर लेंगे. लड़की का वो decision कभी accept किया ही नहीं जाएगा ना, उसको respect दी जाएगी.
जिसको दुआओं में मांगा तू है वही रहनुमा.
Which guy cries on the first day?
हो गया यार अब.
I have to get up in the morning and make tea for her every day. And in the
Wasn't
evening-
that the deal you said कि
What
अच्छा
was the
अभी
other deal? What was the deal where I was benefiting? What was that deal?
That I got married to you, Tamil. Me here.
He is the
I am.
problem solver.
Yeah.
I
You let me know what the problem is.
yeah.
Most of the decisions that I make are almost always the wrong ones. So I rely on her a lot.
Nikhil's idea of apology is buying gifts.
Yeah.
So the bigger the mistake, the bigger the gift.
Yeah.
But the problem is, then we'll have a fight about the gift because he's not good at buying gifts.
You should know this. अगर मैं यहाँ हूँ तो मैं से ओपन करके भी तो लेट सकते हो ना.
ये तुम भी तो कर
couch
सकती
पर-
हो. तुम्हें तो ये बात पता भी है. तो तुम करो ना.
We are still in love because of each other. We've had a lot of new experiences emotionally and even otherwise. A lot of your firsts are with me.
Yes.
Yeah.
When I was going through depression and how you dealt with it when I thought that एक अच्छे से अच्छा इंसान भी उस मेस को छोड़ के चला जाए कि oh my god just sort yourself and then we'll talk. That never happened and I think that gave me courage.
Picturing life without each other.
I think more plants in my house.
Oh my god, I can't even imagine my life without him, and he is imagining his life without me with plans. Seriously?
मेरे सनम तेरी कसम
आपको अपना प्यार तो ठीक लगता है यार. You keep questioning people.
Yeah.
Don't do that यार. It's
So let's just respect each other. Let's spread love. And if not love, let's not spread hatred.
yeah.